Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to change your image from day to night or vice versa. So with the day to night tool, Nano AI completely transforms the ambience of your photo by recalculating the scene's lighting. So it dims the sky, introduces deep blue and purple, adjusts shadows, and changes the color temperature to mimic nighttime lighting. So street light, reflections, and highlight may be subtly enhanced depending on the type of image. So instead of simply just darkening the photo, the AI creates a dramatic nighttime atmosphere that creates or feels immersive and realistic. So this effect works especially well on landscapes, cityscapes, outdoor portraits, or architecture. So let me show you how to do this. So here we have a photo where I want to go ahead and turn this photo into a night photo. So to do this, we'll go ahead and use our Nano Banana from Gemini. Let's open up Gemini and then we'll go ahead and add the photo. Convert this photo into a night photo, please. So that is a prompt which I've added. Convert this photo into a night photo.
Sure, here is the image.
So as you can see, it has now converted that photo into a night image. So this is what it was before, and this is what it is now. So as you can see, it has taken everything into consideration, like the shadows, the night, the effect, the lighting on the person when the moon shines on the person there, and the shadows as well. And you have the night effect. So this creates a cinematic, dramatic visuals effortlessly. It's useful for creative storytelling and concept art. This eliminates the need to take photos in multiple environments, and it's perfect for thumbnails, posters, or artistic projects. So there you go, guys. That is how to change image from day to night on your Samsung Galaxy device.